A lot of students will be on spring break next week, and state health officials are warning families about using the time off to get out of town.
Both the CDC and Wisconsin Department of Health Services say even though people are longing for a warm, sunny destination, it's safer to stay home this spring. DHS says we're not out of the woods, and a recent uptick in cases shows that.
I know it's been a long, hard year. I'm sure every one of us wants to go on a vacation. But if we can give this just a couple more months with the kind of progress we're making, I think we will be in a much better situation.
Despite this warning, many families say they feel like it's safe enough to travel. Blaise Keller spoke with two families going on spring break trips this year.
We were planning to do a cruise, Caribbean, right?
Caribbean cruise.
Caribbean
Yep.
cruise. And 2 days before we were supposed to come here and get on a plane, we got told don't leave the house.
Like many last year, the Schmidt family's vacation was canceled, a step taken to reduce the spread of COVID-19 as the pandemic began.
Been just kind of tapping our toes, waiting for it to open up enough that we can go do something.
With vaccinations continuing to roll out across Wisconsin and the United States, and daily new cases in Wisconsin staying below 500 based on latest data, the Schmidts feel safe with the safety measures that they've taken and that the airlines have taken too.
Seeing that everybody is pretty in compliance with all the safety measures, and we are willing to be compliant with them, I think it was time that we felt pretty good with that.
The CDC recommends staying home to reduce the spread, but says for those looking to travel for spring break to continue to wear masks, test before and after your trip, and follow state and local ordinances. And if you can,
I'm vaccinated. I know that the numbers of the vaccinations are up, so that makes me feel a little more comfortable.
Get vaccinated, like Kami Maloney. They're also planning on keeping their bubble of interaction small.
The fact that we're staying with friends helped me feel a little more comfortable. We're not going to be in a motel or a hotel.
So I was reading a little bit more about the kind of the HEPA filters that they have on the planes and how safe they make things.
In Madison, Blaise Keller, 27 News.
The CDC says if you really want to travel, you need to do it safely. For those considering it, we have a link on WKOW.com to local and state COVID-19 requirements for every destination.